Hey you, let me show you how to answer calls just by opening your Galaxy Z Flip 6. Let's get started. So basically that means that when you'll unfold your phone, you'll answer a call immediately. And reverse, when you'll fold your phone, it will end the conversation. And it gives such 90s vibes. Let me show you where to enable it. For this, let's just open phone application and click on these three dots to go in the settings. And here we can see the section Flip options. And now we just need to enable open phone to answer calls and close phone to add calls. Let me show you. I'm gonna just make a call with my another phone and let's test it. So now to just answer this call immediately, I'm just gonna unfold my phone and here it is. So to end the conversation, I would need just fold it again. And the call has been ended. And that's it. Hope this video was useful for you. And thank you so much for watching.